Hello, good morning. This is a front desk department. How may I help you? Hello, this is Francis from room 15. I can't seem to connect into Wi-Fi. I have a very important business meeting in a few minutes and I really need the internet connection. And aside from that, the room next door is very noisy. I can concentrate here. Do something about this. Oh, I'm very sorry for inconvenience, sir. May I put hold a while so that I can speak with our maintenance engineer? And regarding to your noisy neighbor, may I speak first to hotel manager? Please wait for a moment and I call you back later. Okay, fine, thank you. Hello, this is Jacob from the front desk department. Our guest in Fifth floor is having a trouble with his internet connection. Would you like to check it out?
Okay, I check it.
Hello sir, again, this is a front desk department. Your internet connection has now been restored, and also talk to hotel manager regarding to issue beside your room. We are instruct to give you an upgrade room to the next floor without any additional charges to compensate to your problem. We are very sorry for inconvenience that we pose you. Okay sir, now please wait a few moments while I send the bellboy to escort to a new room. I hope you be more comfortable and enjoy your stay in our hotel. Have a good day, sir. What I learned is to be calm and know what to do immediately to solve the problem. This helped me to solve the problem immediately because in knew immediately and I immediately talked to the hotel manager about the problem.